Hey folks, Urban Gardener here, and I got another unboxing to do of an LED light. What I have here is a 1500 watt from a company I like to call Mrhua. The company's name is spelled capital Mrhua. They are on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description to this light so you can check it out. My term of endearment for the company name is just Mrhua, because I just like it. So let's see what Mrhua sent out to the urban garden. Okay, I have popped this box here, so let me show you what Mrhua sent. Thank you very much, Mrhua. As you can see, it looks a tad bit bigger than the 600 watts I've been getting from Grow Star and Niello. By the way, Mrhua is affiliated with both those companies. And oh my goodness, that is a little bit bigger, Urban. Yeah, it is a little bit bigger, boys and girls. So here is your user manual. Has your safety information, your user suggestion, tells you all about this 1500 watt by Mrhua. That's right, it is the 1500 watt by Mrhua. So we'll turn the page here. This has the different models here, and you will find the 1500 right here. All right, so let's pull this baby out. It comes with ratcheting straps. So you do get a set of ratcheting straps in here. There is your carabiner with your cables for hanging. We have one US power cord for a standard US socket. And then here she is by Mrhua. So let's pull it out. This is a 1500 watt. This is what they call their Sunlight. And there you go, the company name, Mrhua or Mrhua, whatever you want to say. You know, you can call it what you want, but just don't call it late for dinner. So there you go, the 1500 watt by Mrhua or Mrhua. It has a dual cooling fan in it. We'll turn it around here so you can see there's the specs for the light. And you do have a daisy chain on it, so it can be daisy chained. There's your on-off switch. I'll go ahead and grab the cord real quick and we'll plug it in and I will show you the glow. Okay, I have it plugged in the wall here, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. I will not be turning it on face down. One of our fellow cannabis community folks got a light one time and they turned it on their bed and burned their bed. Oh, mama was not happy on that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on so I can show you the glow and the color that this light has. And there you go. Color spectrum is similar to a high pressure sodium. I will be throwing this in my veg tent. So this will be merely for a veg light for me at the moment. So we'll throw it in the veg room and we'll see how the Mrhua or Mrhua or however you want to say it does. Okay guys, there you have it. We'll go ahead and unplug that from the wall. Here is your 1500 watt Sunlight from Mrhua or Mrhua, however you want to say it. But there you go. You can pick this up on Amazon, and I will throw a link in the description so you can check it out. With that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.